Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the distance between two parallel planes. So I have already designed two parallel planes. So this is the plane P2 and this is the plane P1. And the equation of plane P1 is ax plus by plus cz plus d1 is equal to 0. And equation of plane P2 is ax plus by plus cz plus d2 is equal to 0. So here one thing we can notice that coefficient of x, y, z are equal in both the planes, but the constant terms are varying. So we have to focus on these constant terms. So if we need to find the distance between them, so first we have to select a point on the plane P2 and then we have to drop a perpendicular to the plane P1. So the distance between these 2 points is known as d. So we can call this distance as distance between these two planes. So if we need to find the distance, then we need to use this formula. So d2 minus d1 mod, we can write this d1 minus d2 mod because both are same, divided by under root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square plus coefficient of z square. So this is the formula to find the distance. So based on this concept, we will discuss how to solve such questions which are related to this concept. So if we will read this question, find the distance between two parallel planes. So these are two parallel planes. So if we will write the equation of plane P1, so it is not given in the general standard form, because this is the general standard form. So to convert this in general standard form, what we will do here, we will just take this z to the right hand side. Basically we will do this. So if we will write this, we can write x plus 2y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the plane P1. So if we need to write the plane P2, then we will again follow the same procedure. 3x plus 6y minus 3z plus 4 is equal to 0. So here both the planes are parallel, but we have to make sure the coefficient of both the planes, means coefficient of x, y, z should be same. So here it is 1, it is 3. So we have to take 3 common from the plane P2. So we will rewrite the equation of plane P2 as x plus 2y minus z plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So if we will consider these two equations of the plane, then we need to compare these equations with the general standard form of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. So value of a is 1, b is 2, c is minus 1, and d1 value is 1 and d2 value is 4 divided by 3. So these are the values, and what we need to do now to find the distance, we have to replace these values in this formula. So d2 minus d1, so 4 divided by 3 minus 1, and we have to take the modulus of this, divided by under root of a square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. Then the distance d is 1 divided by 3 divided by under root of 4 plus 2 6. So we can write this as 1 divided by 3 under root 6. So this is the distance that we have found for this question. So I hope you got the concept till here. Now based on this concept, we will solve another example. So again there are two equations given for plane P1 and P2. So we will convert this equation in general standard form. So to make sure, we have to take out this 2z term to the right side, and we will write minus 6x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to 0. And plane P2 equation is, this is minus 9x plus 9y minus 3z plus 2 is equal to 0. So here the constant term is missing, so we will write this as plus 0 is equal to 0. Now what we have to make sure, that coefficient of x, y and z should be equal. So to make them equal, we have to take the common term out. So here 2 is common. So we have to take out the 2 outside. So if we will take 2 common and we will divide 2 to the right hand side, so it will become 0. So this will become minus 3x, this will become 3y, this will become minus z is equal to 0, plus 0 is equal to 0. And for P2 we need to take 3 common. So this will become minus 3x plus 3y minus z plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So these are the equations which have the coefficient of x, y, z and are equal. So we can say that they are parallel planes. Now we need to draw the value of a, b and c. So a is minus 3, b is 3 and c is, value of c is minus 1. Value of d1 is 0 and value of d2 is 2 divided by 3. Now we need to put these values in the formula. So 2 by 3 minus 0 divided by under root of, this is minus 3 square, this is 3 square and this is minus 1 square. So this is 2 divided by 3 divided by under root of 19. So we can write this as 2 divided by 3 under root 19. So this is the distance between these 2 planes. We can write this answer in this box. So this is how we have discussed 2 examples based on this concept, and these 2 examples are enough to make you understand and give you an overview of this. So based on this, I have just written an example or a question for you to solve. I will not going to solve this in this video. I will just check. I want you to comment your answer in the comment box below, and if your answer is right, then I will give a heart to it. So this is the end of this video. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Based on this concept, I have designed a calculator whose link I will provide in the description box below. You can go and check out that, and you can also cross check your answer with the answer of my calculator also. And if you have any further doubt related to any subject, you need homework help, quiz, exam, any help, any type of help, go and sign up on my website and get registered with us. We have many tutors waiting for you to help you. Thank you very much.